Let's see if this TX16S will do any better. She's locked right in. And 6G. Channel 6 is your 3G and 6G settings for trainer on, trainer off, but you always have 3-axis gyro. So I put it on a 3-position switch, but you can't shut it off completely. So I just have trainer off, which is still 3-axis gyro. Trainer on is limited bank angles. Like I said, I went to the inner holes on the servo horns to give me more throw. Also, these were loose, so I had to re-glue them, so I wasn't getting any throw because they were loose, and when you would use the aileron, it would wiggle back and forth and you wouldn't get much throw. And now I'm getting a lot more throw than I was. If you put it in trainer mode, it has elevator to throttle mix. That's why your elevator's down. That's programmed into it. That's by default. It's just elevator to throttle mix for safe. If you take it out of safe 3D mode, it's gone. So that's why that's there. Hey guys, stay tuned till the end. We're gonna put up on the screen what I got my rate set at, and I'll show you a battery hack for a gram lighter battery with more milliamps. So, and if you like this content, make sure you take a second to like and subscribe. Thanks. Try trainer on first. Oh, this wind's bad. We got about 15 mile an hour to 20 mile an hour gusts, guys. This is 180 grams. It's a little heavy, but not for this wind. I do have it in safe. The Radiomaster TX16S is way better already. I'm fighting the wind. Yeah, really fighting the wind. I got it almost full power, barely in this wind. Oh, if there was no wind, she'd be flying awesome.
4 minutes.
Wind took her down. Ooh, stuck her right in the ground. That wind gust is just a little too much for it. The wind was too hard to try 3D mode yesterday. All right, turn her off.
Trainer on.
Wow, completely out of control.
Trainer off.
With trainer off, it's all over the place. It wants to do a high alpha.
Trainer on.
I had to put trainer back on, guys. You know, it's hard. It's freezing out here. The wind's whipping. I don't know. I mean, she's fun to fly in 6G mode. She's pretty locked in. But as soon as you, I'll show you, watch, I'll flip it right now to
Trainer off.
Trainer off. She wants to high alpha.
Trainer on.
So I put the trainer 6G back on. I'll try to get closer, guys. She's locked right in 6G. Wind's whipping. She's locked right in. She flies great in 6G. But as soon as you go to 3D mode, I'll try to get closer again. 3D.
Trainer on.
She wants, whoa, she wants a high alpha and she's real twitchy.
Trainer on.
She does fly fast. I'll slow her down some. You can't go too slow or she'll lose. But I have full control over the ailerons now with this radio and the little adjustments I made.
3 minutes.
I've been just using aileron, basically no rudder. So I do have aileron control now. And she turned, yeah, I just used rudder. She turns real nice with rudder. Full control at 6G mode. Full aileron control, full rudder control. She flies great. But she wants to go into high alpha if I go to 3D mode. And it's too cold to mess around with it right now, guys. But she is a lot better with the Radiomaster TX16S instead of that stock radio that had all sorts of issues. I've been flying for 3 minutes. I do have the 550 milliamp battery in it, and it weighs a gram less. She is pretty heavy. That's probably half the problem. I'm slowing it right down. Whoa, there she is. I landed quick. Well, guys, in 6G mode, she works great. You can't shut the gyro off. It's always on. In 3D mode, it wants the high alpha. The Radiomaster TX16S is a lot better, more control. I'll put up on the screen what I have my rate set in. I have high, medium, and low rates. And I have it on a 3-position switch.
Trainer off.
3D mode, 6G mode, and then I put it on 3-position to see if I could shut the gyro off, but you can't. Okay, guys, final thoughts on the plane. Number 1, is it beginner friendly? No, it's not. If you're a beginner and you fly this plane, you'll probably never fly an airplane again. Reason being, in 6G, which is limited bank angle, it'll fly okay. It'll fly pretty good, actually. The Radiomaster TX16S will also let you put expo into your surfaces, into your throws, so it won't be so twitchy. It's a lot better than the stock radio that comes with it. You have a lot more options with the Radiomaster. But no matter what remote you use, if you put it into 3D mode, which is no limited bank angles, you're flying it on your own, it's way too tail heavy. I did go with a lighter battery before I knew it was tail heavy, and it has 550 milliamps versus 500 milliamps that they give you, and it's a gram lighter, so longer flight time, except that you need the nose weight. So this came out of a Quiddy 550 3D plane, in case you're wondering if you want to use it.